first of all, thank you very much for PLDT for the home fiber which is now available in Argao. As we all know, communication or connectivity is part of our life already. And without it, progress would be very slow. So Argao is very happy that because of the home fiber, Argao now is connected to the rest of the world. It has access to information globally. So now Argao becomes competitive. And it has a better chances of surviving in the near future. Sa akong mga kaigsunang Argawanon, muhangin ko kaninyo na please avail of the modern technology in communication. And ako kayo nagkikatabang when it comes to our business, life, leisure, or security. Daghang salamat sa PLDT.
Malipayong kung naana na ang PLDT diri sa mua kay hagbay pa magyud unta mi mga fly kay since lagi ang ako ang iyaan is PLDT man pero katong di pa fiber ba nya wala namang kuno so pag ingog na fiber sige mo kuan ta mamalhin jud ta.
Oo. So pagdugog mo ma'am nga fiber is in Argao, apply dayon.
Apply dayon to pag suroy dire apply dayon na automatic dayon. Daghang salamat.
Na-invite ba mang uban ni mga
Bitaw kamo tanan bali na mo sa PLDT kay mas okay jud kay siya.